Kiosha, and a special thanks to Mom, Dad, the kids, and Mike. Up next, we have 531 Western Drive from Seabeck. His sponsors are Omega Tree Services and Truckers Towing. Fun fact, I live in Seabeck. Up next, we have 714 Dave Lopez from Port Angeles. Sponsors are Benny B's Pizza, Peninsula Performance, Destiny, Colby, Motormouth Announcing, Dad Richard, Savannah, and Evans Automotive. Number 79, we have Sunny Turner from Port Angeles. Sponsors are Salish Trails and Rachel. Number 363, Mike Morton from Brotherton. Sponsors are Yokohama Auto Wrecking, Discount Tire, and Wheel. Number 65X, Ron Lesher from Port Angeles. Sponsors are Benny B's Pizza, Peninsula Performance, Destiny and Colby, Motormouth Announcing, Dad Richard, Savannah, and Evans Automotive. And we don't have a number on that car, so we're waiting. 822, the purple, white, and green car, we're guessing, Matthew Sheeler from Port Angeles. Sponsors are Gray's Automotive, Gray's Motors, Dave's Heating, Sheeler Dentures Clinic, OSP Sling, and Peninsula Performance. And we're just waiting to find out if number 13 is going to be playing with us today or not. Remember, folks, keep your butts glued to your seats so the people behind you can see. I know, it's boring, it's no fun. We all want to jump around. It's not a good. You have to be pushed onto the track, dude. All right, Miss Ashley Jones is number 13 from Spring, Washington. Sponsors are AK Automotive, Mason, Hannah, Oakland, Owens, Willie's Painting, Mom and Dad. Special thanks to Serene Moments Creations, Grandma Uni, and DFC. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. We're ready. Let's do this. Come on, hear it. We want to hear it. You're not stomping your feet or nothing. You're just going to be so quiet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go! Alright, number 79 took the flag. 79, Sunny Turner. Looks like Vaughn lost his bumper. It's not the only thing he's lost. I am kidding. I'm not kidding. We love him. It's fine. Our nieces over here are like, maintain disorder. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Looks like Mike Morgan versus Preston Craig. Mike's in 363 and Preston is in 513. We got Seabeck versus Bremerton. These boys are relentless. If you think Bremerton's taking home number one, let's hear it. If you think Seabeck's taking home number one, let's hear it. Well, that was exciting. So I guess we're splitting first place between both of these boys, Mike Morgan from Bremerton, Washington with 363 and Preston Craig from Seabeck 531. And then rolling in a second place, Sonny Turner in 79.